Overview of business. A business is defined as an organization or entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. It can be for-profit entities or non-profit organizations. There are various forms of a business, such as a limited liability company, a sole ownership, a corporation, and a partnership. Businesses can range from small operations operating in one industry to large operations operating in many industries around the world. Generally, a business begins with a business concept and a name. The business concept is the fundamental idea behind the business. The business model, plan, vision, and mission are developed based on this concept. The business name can be one of the most valuable assets of a firm. Careful consideration should be given when choosing it. Businesses operating under fictitious names must be registered with the state. Businesses most often are formed after the development of a business plan, which is a formal document detailing a business goals and objectives and its strategies of how it will achieve the goals and objectives. Business plans are almost essential when borrowing capital to begin operations. Procedure of establishing a business. The first step of establishing a business is the idea. Idea promotes a name, and after this, we make a business plan and decide the objectives of the business. And last one is business structure. We fix the business structure. Objectives of the business. The business objective is what makes the business go on and conduct its activities in a long run. It is the reason why the business exists. According to traditional concept, business exists only to earn profit by providing the goods and services to the customers. According to modern concept, the underlying objective of every business is customer satisfaction, as this is what results in most profits. If the customer is satisfied, business excels. It is also important to determine the legal structure of the business. Depending on the type of business, it may need to secure permits, adhere to registration requirements, and obtain licenses to legally operate. In many countries, corporations are considered to be judicial persons, meaning that the business can on debt on be sued in court. Business structure. Many businesses organize themselves around some sort of hierarchy or bureaucracy, where positions in a company have established roles and responsibilities. The most common structures include sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and limited liability companies. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship, as its name suggests, is a business owned and operated by a single natural person. There is no legal separation between the business and the owner. The tax and legal liabilities of the business are thus that of the owner. Partnership. A partnership is a business relationship between two or more people who join to conduct business. Each partner contributes resources and money to the business, and shares in the profits and losses are recorded on each partner's tax return. Corporation. A corporation is a business in which a group of people acts together as a single entity. Most commonly, owners of a corporation are shareholders who exchange consideration for the corporation's common stock. Incorporating a business releases owners of the financial liability of business obligations. However, a corporation has unfavorable taxation rules for the owners of the business. Limited liability company. A limited liability company is a business structure in which owners are not personally liable for the company's debts or liabilities. Limited liability companies are hybrid entities that combine the characteristics of a corporation with those of a partnership or sole proprietorship. Types of business. There are mainly four types of business: manufacturing business, service type business, merchandising or trade, and hybrid business. Manufacturing business. Manufacturing businesses are the producers who develop the product and sell it either directly to the customer or the middleman to conduct sales. Example: steel factories, plastic factories, etc. Service type business. This type of business deals in selling intangible goods to the consumers. Unlike tangible goods, services cannot be stored or separated from the provider. Service firms offer professional services, expertise, commission based promotions, etc. Example of service type business are saloons, schools, consultancy firm, etc. Merchandising or trade. Merchandising is a middleman business strategy where the business buys products from a manufacturer, wholesaler, or other partners and sells the sum at the retail price. It is usually known as a buy and sell business, as they make profits by selling the products at a price higher than their cost price. Examples of a merchant are grocery stores, supermarkets, distributors, etc. Hybrid business. Hybrid businesses have the characteristics of two or more types of businesses explained above. For example, a restaurant develops its own dishes, that is manufacturing, sells the products like cold drinks, which are manufactured by other businesses, which is merchandising, and provides service to the customers, which is service. Thank you.